Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What is it? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Pencil. Book. Ball. Cup. Conversation.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a book.
What is it?
It's a ball.
What is it?
It's a cup. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a book.
What is it?
It's a ball.
What is it?
It's a cup. Word quiz. Book. Cup. Pencil. Ball. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say?
What is it? How are you?
It's a pencil. What did Max say?
What is it?
Yes, it is. It's a book. What did Max say?
What is it?
It's a cup. No, it isn't. You did it. You were superstar. Yay! Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.